everyone, it's Callie and I'm back to share with you my Christmas planner, and it included my daily December documented. So I kind of wanted to show you what I did here. I just made my own insert with some scrap paper I had. I used several elements from my Cocoa Daisy December kit, which I loved and I thought was very wintry and cute. This is just scrapbook paper on cardstock that I glued. So anyway, what I did is I included a place to document the people I needed to buy for. And as I went through and got them all completed, I highlighted them, and I see I didn't finish highlighting, but I did finish those. And then I had a spot for each person, and I'll kind of go through that quickly, where I had what I purchased, what it cost, and when it got wrapped, I checked it off so that I knew it was done. And I can't tell you how much that helped me, because sometimes I could not remember what I had actually purchased for someone, and if I needed to fill in a little bit to make it even and fair across the board. So anyway, then I had a list of things that I wanted to bake. I did not get everything done, but I do like to bake things to give to our neighbors and friends, coworkers, etc., as gifts. My New Year's Eve plans, because I was hosting, so I had my list here. I have always kept a TV watch list of holiday movies that I like to watch, and I did make it through them. Some of them I kind of watched while I wrapped, or watched while I cooked, baked, etc., because I've seen them all before and I love them, so I'm not going to miss anything, but I just like watching them. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day plans are in here. And then this tab it says documented, and I used my Cocoa Daisy kits here, and I used some of their planner printables that they had for December. Many of the kits that they offer I use, so I started and tried to get something for most days. Some days I didn't have a lot going on, so I tried to just fill in with some notes. And so using, different washi, stickers, printing photos, I used the Canon Ivy, which is my favorite little printer. It prints great pictures. So just a little bit of each day, some notes, thoughts, etc. A little scrap of paper with a little gnome in there. A picture of one of the Christmas trees, because I had two actually in the house. I actually did not write anything down on the 7th. I think it was just a lazy Saturday. Then we had other things going on Sunday. Even my kitty, who was just there snuggling with me, I wrapped gifts, did a little shopping, went out to dinner. This one I got not a single picture on this page. This one I liked, not a single picture either. I did a lot of things that day, and I just created this little tag out of scrapbook paper, and this was the sticky note from the month of December from Cocoa Daisy. I also used one of these little tabs that they had in the December kit, just because it was the first day of winter, and I thought that was a cute little wintry tab. A baking day, so I took all the stuff I had previously put together, and then it was sitting in the fridge ready for me to go. And then those treats get handed out to our neighbors. Then we had Christmas Eve, and I am not a scrapbooker. I don't have a scrapbooking background, but I love to document things so I can look back. So I just printed out a bunch of pictures, like all the pictures. I had so many from Christmas Eve, I had to tip in this card. So this was fun, having all these pictures here. I tried to get pictures with just about everybody who was there so I could add it in. And so that was a lot of fun. Die cut, stickers, you name it, I used it all. Christmas Day, these little sweaters came off of a Christmas card I had, and they were popped up on foam squares on the card. So I just carefully cut them off with my craft knife and used them right here. So Christmas Day, even a silly shot of my husband and I in the kitchen being like, bah. So anyway, that was Christmas Day. And then just like the lazy days afterwards. It was the weekend, and we just kind of laid around and recovered and ate leftovers. And then we had New Year's Eve. So I had quite a few little pictures here to put in. We had such a great time. Again, printed more pictures and stuck them in there. And then my music all wrapped up, because I love Spotify. And I thought this was perfect. Dance to the beat of your own music. And then I just put a new decade begins. Goodbye 2019. Hello 2020. And there you go. That's it. So I'll put that away in a box. I'll be able to look back at it anytime. I can refer to it next Christmas to see kind of what I bought people and, you know, things like that. So anyway, thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. And as always, if you like this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. Bye-bye.